Good morning, good evening, and good afternoon, people. Today we're still painting the mower. We had to do a second coat, so they look very yellow. Those mowers over there, they're looking pretty sick. Look at the tanks are very black. Sweet. Got paint right there. So what we're gonna do today, we're gonna weld this bracket right here that I got bent, maybe by him. But I got this one right here that I'm gonna weld back, weld it right here, so that we can connect. And this is the new chute that we're making. We got, this is flimsy so that they don't get busted right away. Because if you hit the mower this way, all this move and it can break the motor. And that's exactly what we want to prevent. Man, but look at those rims. They're looking sick. ¿El motor ese no funciona?
¿Este?
Sí.
No sé. Creo que sí. No, sí.
Oh, ese está bueno.
Sí.
So this is the mower that we are giving to Chong, but we're taking the power chute out and putting it on a different mower. The one that doesn't have one. So let's go at it and let's get welding. I wonder if one. Sand it. Now let's weld.
En verano la gente diga, que yo no tengo su máquina.
Hello. Good, how are you? Well, I think my welding skills and weld is not pretty, but it's right there. I made a big chunk, you know, like a big drip right here. But this one, I did it pretty good, so that's all we need. This is the weld that was there already. As you can see, it's really tiny. So I think that should work. So now we can put the shit back on. So now that I'm done with this, now we're gonna go and do an estimate. Well, I came to do an estimate here. This is I go to this church. I come here. But this property already has over 300,000 square feet. It's huge. It's massive. The grassy areas are massive. So, and they want me to cut more. It's not a whole lot more. It's just like they have a missionary house. So we only do one side. So they want me to do the other side. So the entire property gets mowed by us. And then they have an empty field that I have to cut once a month. So, and I just get there a small bit. You know, I'm already here. I'm already doing the work. And as long as it makes it, worth it for us, to accomplish that in the same amount of time, then it's all worth it. Because when we come here, let me show you. Let me see if I can show you guys what we got here. So this property, it is huge. And let me show you guys, we got property that way. All the mowing here, we got mowing on this side. We got a pond on this side, which is, we had to mow it too. And we have property all the way that way. We don't do the winter here. The winter here, somebody does it and does it for very affordable. So I told my pastor, hey, if he's doing very affordable, this is the price that he gave me. If he's going to be doing that for that price, I said sign it for multiple years because it's a good deal. Because my price will be double to do this. You're talking about, I think it's around 9 to 10 acres of parking lot. And then on top of that, you're talking about sidewalk, which is, I think is another 1.5 miles. So I said, right now, the bid is done. I talked to him. They agreed to it. They want to do it. So now let's go back to the shop and hang out with the guys. Well, we got the chute out, and now he's taking the GPS out. This one right here. This is the Horizon 360 GPS unit. You can see that it's light up. It's light up still. And it's unplugged here. So if somebody unplugs it, it's still working. You guys can see that? I mean, the batteries, it has an internal battery. It doesn't last long, but at least you know where it is. But it's always good to have. It's always good to have. And at least you know where and what side of the property is and things like that, so you can keep connection on this thing. And you can check it out on your app. But it's very simple. You just have to connect it somewhere, and then just plug it into the battery. And he's unplugging it because we're gonna put it on one of the new mowers that we're getting. Now we're gonna check why this power chute is not working, and then we'll figure that out because we have an extra one right here. So, and we can put it on this one and fix this. Since this is bent, we're gonna fix it. That's the problem that I don't want to get. This is why Austin is doing the other ones, so that they don't bend like that. Because once they bend like that, it's always a pain too. But I'm back. Let me show you what he's doing right here. I'm gonna show the audience. Your handiwork. So this is the one that he makes, that he made already. And now the second one, since it's already busted, you guys can see it broke right here. It's supposed to be almost this long. Let's see. This one is really short, so we're gonna have to fix this part, and then we're gonna put this flop as well. Hopefully that's gonna make a difference with less problem.
Just want to add that you guys cut this one and I cut that one.
Austin cut, wow. I did this one. I think I did this one. Or Nick did. I don't know, one of us.
Probably my dad.
That's how we do it here. We roll like that. because knowing me, I'll have another one of these. Easy peasy. Oh shit, people. Well, we are done for today. But check this out. This is the more that is going to Chong. Well, I left it like this, you know. Oh shit, people. Well, my battery died on my GoPro. When it gets too cold, the GoPro doesn't like it. So it got the battery drained, so I had to start charging it again, and I charge it, and I don't know, it's just a fiasco. But people, look at my finger. It's looking a lot better, but look at that nail. It's gonna come out soon. But it is there, you know. I had to open it, move my finger around, but when it gets really, really cold, well, it wasn't cold. Like today is 46 degrees, but my finger was hurting. And it was covered and everything, but so I took it out, put it on my car. It's all warm up, but just to let you know, don't get hurt because it hurts. People, I don't know how long is this video. I hope you like it because I'm always loving it. So thank you for watching. Stay tuned, guys. And remember to subscribe because there's nobody like me. I'll see you guys in the next